At number 1, we have the GoTrax electric bike. This is a rugged, adventure-ready machine built for riders who refuse to be limited to smooth pavement. Featuring large, grippy tires, adjustable front suspension, and a powerful 750W motor, this bike delivers a stable and confident ride on any terrain. It also comes equipped with a practical front basket and frame bag, adding convenient storage for daily errands or longer outings. This model perfectly balances off-road capability with everyday practicality, making it the best overall choice for those who want both adventure and versatility in one well-built electric bike.
At number 2, we have the Eisen Wheel U1 electric bike. This is the ultimate no-fuss ride, powered by a 500W motor that handles any city street with ease. Smart uphill assist technology adapts to the terrain so you can conquer those inclines without breaking a sweat. The game changer? It folds in seconds. Perfect for small apartments, car trunks, or your daily commute on the train. Its compact design doesn't sacrifice performance or comfort, with a stable ride and a top speed of 20 mph. And with a reliable battery for commutes under 25 miles and a quick charging feature, you're always ready to go. From city streets to scenic paths, the Eisen Wheel U1 is your perfect urban mobility companion.
At number 3, we have the GoTrax Dolphin electric bike. The GoTrax Dolphin is a fantastic entry-level option for anyone hesitant about investing in an e-bike. Priced accessibly, it removes the financial risk while still delivering solid performance, with up to 30 miles of range on a single charge. Its removable battery makes charging incredibly convenient, perfect for daily use. It features enough gears and suspension to comfortably handle hills, making it suitable for both beginners and casual riders. The bike is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and offers a practical balance of power, range, and affordability. If you want to test the e-bike lifestyle without spending a fortune, the GoTrax Dolphin is a smart, low-commitment choice.
At number 4, we have the Heybike Cityscape electric bike. This reliable commuter stands out with its powerful 1000W motor, allowing you to tackle slopes with ease. Its impressive range and multiple riding modes reduce strain during those longer rides to work or school. The intelligent LCD display gives you complete control over your speed and battery life, and the lockable, shockproof fork ensures a smooth, comfortable ride across any terrain. It combines solid build quality with practical features that make long-distance commuting less tiring and more enjoyable. The Cityscape 2.0 offers terrific value with dependable performance and versatile riding options. Your perfect daily ride is here.
At number 5, we have the GoTrax folding electric bike. With a powerful 500W motor, it zips through city streets and park paths, making your daily commute effortless and sweat-free. The genius is in the fold. It's perfect for apartments, car trunks, and anyone short on storage space. The large LCD display keeps you informed, and the long-lasting battery gives you more than enough range for most daily trips. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or exploring the outdoors, this e-bike adapts to your life. The GoTrax folding electric bike, a smart, budget-friendly, and convenient way to get around. Your city, your ride.